So people always ask me, yo, how would you start a resource-based economy? How would it work worldwide? Would every country have to switch at once? What about governments? Okay, well, step one, you don't need to convince the world. You just need to start a node. The RBE isn't about conquering nations. It's about building functional prototypes that outperform dysfunctional systems. You start locally with holonic networks. Think decentralized, self-sufficient communities with high-tech infrastructure. Each holon manages resources dynamically. You have food, water, energy, housing, tracked and allocated using real-time sensors, AI, and logistics algorithms. Okay? Now you link that with other holons through open protocols and data transparency. Boom, you're scaling an ecosystem, not a government. By the way, guess what? This only takes 3.5% of the population. You just need 3.5% of any population in a non-violent protest to start talking about these things. That's why I asked those 3 questions about solving for technological unemployment, resource overshoot, structural violence and debt, etc. Okay, step 2, there's no central government. Cybernetic coordination is where it's at. So in the RBE, governance equals systems design, not politics. All of our problems can be answered with science and math, not politics. That doesn't solve anything. So you have AI plus sensors plus distributed ledgers, and that equals decisions made from objective planetary data, not lobbying or profit incentives. Yeah, it makes sense, but why aren't we doing this? They have us by the fucking... Okay, so there's no presidents, no parliaments, there's no corruption incentives, because the market system right now, the goal right now is infinite growth and acquisition. That's it. Every dictator you hate, if you hate the president, you want an 86-47, he's the perfect capitalist. They made him. The market system designed these people. Stop blaming the billionaires. They're products of the market system itself, okay? So, there's no corruption incentive. There's real-time resource management by design, not decree. Step 3, you have global interoperability through open access and empirical results. So as these holons prove their efficiency, you have lower ecological footprints, better quality of life, no debt, then people and even governments will want in. Not because they're ideologically aligned, but because it just works better. You think open source, Tesla, Apple, all the tech companies, open source technology in one, plus an Earth operating system, plus an Internet of Energy, plus automated veganic permaculture. It's going to outperform capitalism. It's going to spread virally. Okay? So we just start where we are. You don't need the UN. You don't need a revolution. You need a few strategic pilots showing how an RBE works. Clean, decentralized, scalable, and elegant. You beat capitalism by building something it can't compete with. And that starts now. Not when the whole world agrees, but when you build the first working piece. Let me know if you have any questions. The RBE, a resource-based economy. Look into it. Let's start making this happen. We only need 3.5% of the population, guys. 12 million people can change the world. You want to opt in? Add me, start talking to my page. Let's get going. Cheers.